some of the other trends that are happening in the government right now. ICE is recruiting and using agents from other agencies, including the U.S. Marshals, the DEA, the AFT, and also the FBI. They've asked these agencies to change their focus on what they've been doing and instead focus the majority of their resources to detaining and deporting immigrants. So, for example, the FBI that was previously doing white-collar crimes, investigating SCC investigations and things that were, important to the U.S. public, that we keep people honest, those resources are not being used right now. Instead, they're focusing on deportations. Okay. Another thing is that people are being detained and deported. If they cannot be deported to their country, they're being sent to other third countries. And the latest country that they've been using is South Sudan. This has happened for people who are from Cuba, Vietnam. I saw a few other countries, but basically their country won't accept them back. I think Russia was one of the immigrants, but basically their country isn't accepting them back, and so they sent them to a plane full of people to South Sudan. And what's interesting is that the news report on this topic mentioned that South Sudan did not know about it. They didn't even know that people were being deported to their country who are not citizens there. And South Sudan's response is that if they find out that has in fact happened, because they couldn't, confirm, that they will deport those people back to the country where they're from. Okay. Interestingly, some people have protection from being sent to their specific country. It's called withholding of removal. And I am able to tell you that it is happening at Chrome and other detention centers, that people who do have protection to be sent back to their country are being detained for months, and they're trying to deport them to other countries. So I'm not sure if anyone with withholding was sent, but as you know, that happened for the famous case Mr. Garcia, who was sent to El Salvador when he had a protection from being sent to El Salvador. This administration doesn't care about the rule of law. So let us know if we can help you with your immigration case. Another thing that I wanted to explain in English is that immigration courts are re-calendaring cases that were not on the active docket anymore. And also people who had an administratively closed case are being reset, recalendared. This doesn't make sense because the immigration court is already completely full. They're flooded. They're backed up, years already on their hearings. So interestingly, Trump is trying to continue to flood the courts.